Paper 1, Chapter 2, ninth class, June July syllabus, Polynomials and Factorization, Exercise 2.5, 15. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given by. This is area is given. We are going to find length and breadth of the rectangle, isn't it? What is given? See here, 4a square plus 4a minus 3 is given, isn't it? Now, multiplication of these two, that means 4a square into 3, that becomes 4 3s are 12 a square, isn't it? See here, next, what we have to need here? 4, isn't it? That means 6a into 2a. So 6 2s are 12, but both are 8. Keep here minus 6. So 6a minus 2a becomes 4a, isn't it? We got it. Then multiplication of these two, we get the product. Addition of these two, we get this middle term. So both are match. Now take, this can be written as 4a square plus 6a minus 2a minus 3, that equals to, see here, bring here 2a is common, so 2a is common. What is left here? A only. Next plus, what is left here? 3, isn't it? Are you understood? Yes. Next minus, bring minus 1 is common here, that becomes, see, 2a, sorry, I did it forget, 2 2s are 4, so here 2a, right? So 2a minus 3. So I will explain here this step clearly. See here, so this can be written as 2 into 2a into a, isn't it? First one, a into a becomes a square, 2 2s are 4, isn't it? Next plus, this can be written as 2 into 3a. Are you understood? So 2 3s are 6, into a becomes 6a, minus, this can be written as it is 2a minus 3. So this step can be converted as, bring here what, 2a is common, 2a is common, in this also 2 and a is common. So 2a is common. What is left here? Here is 2a, and which symbol is there? Plus. Here what is left? 3. Are you understood this step? Yes. Next minus, here minus 1 bring outside, that becomes minus 1. See here, this 2a you can write, so minus is gone outside, this became plus, and this became 3. See here, 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3 bring common, that becomes 2a plus 3 into what we have to left, that means 2a minus 1. So these two are the length and breadth of the rectangles. So length is equals to 2a plus 3 and breadth is equals to 2a minus 1, like that. Now move to next one. See here, this is given 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So now multiply these two, that means 25a square into 12, that gives 25 into 12 becomes how much? 300. See, 300 a square. See, 25, 12. 2 5s are 10, right? 10, 0, 1 is carry. 1 into 5, 5, 2 2s are 4. 5 plus 4 becomes 9, 9 plus 1 becomes 10. 0, right here 0, 1 is carry. Now multiplication these two over, now multiply, leave this and multiply these two. 2 ones are 2, plus 1, 3, 300, we got it? Yes. So this is the multiplication, but addition gives the this one. So now take 20 into 15. So 15 to the 30, isn't it? See here, 15, isn't it? 15 and 20. So 0 right here. 2 5s are 10, 0 1 is there. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 becomes 3, isn't it? Now, so minus 35a means this is minus 20a and minus 15a. Addition of these two minus 35a. So addition of these two became minus 35a. Multiplication of these two gives the what? 300, isn't it? So now we get here, this can be written as 25a square minus 35 can be written as 20a minus 15a next plus 12, isn't it? Now see here, this can be written as 5 into 5. 5 5 is a 25, isn't it? A square can be written as a into a minus, this can be written as 4 5 are 20, that means 4 into 5a minus, this can be written as 3 into 5, isn't it? 3 5 are 15, isn't it? 3 5 are 15, so that's why 3 into 5a. Next plus 3 4s are 12, isn't it? 3 4s are 12. Now see here, bring this here, 5a is common, so 5a is common, in this term also 5a, so into 5a is bring common outside, so what is left? 5 into a became 5a. What is the symbol is there? Minus. What is there left? 4 is left. Next minus, so what we have to bring here common? 3. 3 is common in both two terms. So minus 3 is common. So here minus into minus became plus. So that's why here is right 5a as it is. This minus 1 minus is common outside. So inside is another common, another minus, isn't it? Now, so 5a minus 4, isn't it? Now see here, 5a minus 4, 5a minus 4, take once again common. What is left? 5a minus 4 is common, so remaining is 5a minus 3, isn't it? So we got, so what is the length? Length is 5a minus 4, and what is the breadth? Breadth is 5a minus 3. This is the answer of the given question. Understand all of you? Yes.